This one?
Yeah.
Or...
Yep. No, go to squeeze your thing. Squeeze your mouse. Okay, now go bottom left over there.
Okay.
Yep. Now click iPhone or the top one. Yep. Click that. Okay. Unzipping the files. Attaching custom RAM disk to the volume. Detaching. Okay. Your iPhone is in normal mode. Put it into recovery mode. Okay. So hold down the home button and the lock button together. And don't let go until you see...
What's the home button and...
This is the home button, this is the lock button. Hold them both at the same time until I tell you to let go.
Whoa.
Just go ahead and hold them. You're good, you're good. Just keep holding it. Keep holding it. Until you see the connect to iTunes symbol. You'll see an Apple symbol, just keep holding it.
Giggity holding.
Keep holding.
Look how hard I'm holding it.
Yeah, with that case on there, you have to hold it pretty tight. Okay, now let go. Okay, now you can hit OK on iTunes, and then just close iTunes. Oh yeah, see, there's your phone. There's your phone wigging out.
That's awesome.
Yeah, squeeze it back over here. Yep, click there. It's now being phoned, so wait for it to reboot. How are you feeling right now? Brand new iPhone.
That's sweet, dude.
Hacking it.
Hacking it. Hack up all up in my iPhone.
We're waiting for it.
Higgity hacking. I'm glad I'm on the, like, the up and up here. My phone's getting phoned. Owned, pwned, roaned, whatever. I'm going to mimic that sound. So just in case we have to break in someone's office and they have Google Notifier on there, I'll be able to do the noise.
Oh yeah, look at...
That is a pineapple with a bite taken out of it. My phone is no longer Apple. It has turned into pineapple.
Yeah.
Pineapple.
I can see you in the reflection.
Sniggity snapple. What is this?
Just wait. Click OK. Okay.